Starting off with the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, I'm going in with this yellow shade. And then I'm going over top of that with Buttercup from the Violet Voss Rainbow palette. Then I'm going to go in with Peach, just in the outer corners. Then we're going to do under the eye. And then I'm going to go in with this blue shade. Next, using my NYX Jumbo pencil in Milk, I'm going to do my waterline. And then I'm going to put the blue shade on top of that. And then I'm actually going to go over my lips with the eye pencil. Then I'm going to do the blue on the bottom. And then the yellow on top. For bronzer, I'm going to use Tarte's Park Ave Princess. Use the Essence Lash Princess mascara. I'm going to use ColourPop Cosmetics Highlight Super Shock Cheek in Flexitarian. So this look was actually inspired by this face chart that I saw on Pinterest. It has no like watermark or description that says who did it. Let me click on Instagram. Okay, so it was Milk 1412. Pretty popular face chart artist. So this was super quick, super easy. I feel like this would be an awesome like futuristic space pop princess or something like that, but it could be just like an 80s rock star look, whatever you want to make it. It could be like some sort of fairy look, but to me it screams like futuristic pop princess type thing. So that's what we're gonna go with. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. See you guys again tomorrow. Bye!